Good morning students, welcome back to Shaba Group of Schools online class. In the previous class we have studied mathematical induction. Today we go for new heading binomial theorem. So binomial theorem is x plus a whole power n equal to nc0 x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus etc. plus NCR, the middle term, not middle one, general term, NCR x power n minus r a power r plus etc. up to NCN x power n a power n. Listen, we write this simply as sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR x power n minus r into a power r. Listen, our first coefficient is NC0 and our x power is n. That is what is whole power, that is our x power n. Next a power 0. Here starting a power 0, a power is increasing here and x power is decreasing. That is first one is x power n, second one is n minus 1 and third one n minus 2 and so on. Similarly first a power 0, that is 1, and next a power 1, a power 2, a power 3 etc. up to a power r, and the last term is a power n. Here our x term is missing, that is x power 0 becomes 1, isn't it? So the last term a power n will come. And listen, also in this formula our first coefficient is NC0 and the last coefficient is NCN. These two are equal to 1. NC0 and NC1 are equal to 1. Similarly, this is NC1 and the term before this NCN is what? NC n minus 1 x power 1 into a power n minus 1. Listen, the coefficient is NC n minus 1. Here the second coefficient is NC1. These two are equal. We know NC1 is what? NC1 equal to NC n minus 1 we have to write by one property is NCR equal to NC n minus r, isn't it? Using this property this becomes this. So our second term from the starting, the coefficient of second term from the starting and from the end the second term, these two coefficients are equal. Okay, similarly third and the third in the end, these two are equal and so on. And we know the algebraic identities in the 9th standard, I think so, 9th or 8th standard we have studied x plus a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube and all we have learned, isn't it? What is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole cube is a cube 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube, isn't it? Listen carefully, nama a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube la padichirukom. Here we using instead a plus b x plus a. First take n is equal to 0, that is x plus a whole power 0 becomes anything power 0 is 1, we know very well, this is equal to 1. Suppose n is equal to 1 means x plus a whole power 1. This is simply x plus a. So we rewrite this using this binomial theorem. That is first one is NC0, that is here n is 1. So 1C0 into x power 1, here a power 0 will come. Nama a power 0 by vittu eludhurom. A power 0 equal to 1, isn't it? So we leave that a power 0, right? Simply 1C0 x power 1 plus 1C1. Here x power 0 and a power 1 will come. So x power 0 nama edutha thevilla, x power 0 value is 1, isn't it? So we leave this x power 0 term into a. Listen, 1C0 and 1C1 are all 1 only. Okay. Listen, second one, that is n is equal to 2. X plus a whole square equal to x square plus 2xa plus a square we know this one. We write this in the form of binomial theorem, that is n is 2, isn't it? So 2c0 x power n, that is n is 2 here, so x power 2, a power 0 will come, so we leave that a power 0 and write plus 2c1 after 2c0 after 2c1, next 2c2, like that we have to write. And increasing, the x power is increasing, isn't it? Here we are having x power 2, here we are having x power 1. 1 minus பண்ணுறோம், decrease பண்ணும்போது அப்போ 1 வரும். next a power 1 வரும் plus 2c2 into, here x term is missing because x power 0, so we leave that x power 0 and write only a square. And also listen, powers, indices சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, indices means powers. the indices of x and a, x and a எப்போவுமே எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா பவர் என்னவோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். பவர் 2னா இப்போ indices of x and a ஒவ்வொரு டேர்ம்லேயும் 2 தான் வரும். for example listen, this is x power 2, indices is 2. next here index of x is 1 and index of a is 1. adding these two indices we get 1 plus 1 2. So again we get 2, isn't it? The last term a power 2. Again we get 2. Similarly in the third one listen, x plus a whole cube. We know the formula directly. A plus b whole cube equal to what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Using this here, x cube plus 3x square a plus 3xa square plus a cube. Okay, listen here also. The last coefficients is 1, sit. Second is 3 and here from the end the second is 3. Similarly இதே மாதிரி இந்த பவர் 3 4 5 6 வரும்போது அந்த கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஈக்குவலாக வரும். எண்ட்லேருந்தும் பிகினிங்லேருந்தும் ஈக்குவல் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. and we rewrite this in the binomial form like this. and listen, the coefficients 1 3 3 1 இது எப்படி டைரெக்டாக போடலாம், 3c1 3c2ன்னு போட்டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணாமல் டைரெக்டாக எப்படி போடலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு பாஸ்கல் ட்ரையாங்கிள் மூலமாக நம்ம போடுறோம். பாஸ்கல் ட்ரையாங்கிள் இஸ் this is our பாஸ்கல் ட்ரையாங்கிள். லிசன், இந்த எண்டில் இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் 1 1 1 வரும். ஹியர் ஆல்சோ 1 1 அண்ட் இந்த மிடில் வர கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸை எப்படி எழுதுகிறோன்னு பாருங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆடிங் தீஸ் டூ we get 1 plus 1 is what? 2. next 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. similarly 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. okay, next 1 plus 3, adding these two numbers we get 4 and 3 plus 3 is 6 and 3 plus 1 is 4. the last one is 1. similarly fifth, அதாவது பவர் 5 வரும்போது கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸை நீ டைரெக்டாக இதை பார்த்து போடலாம். இப்போ சப்போஸ் யூ மேக் திஸ் பாஸ்கல் ட்ரையாங்கிள், we use the coefficients using these numbers. இப்போ சப்போஸ் 5 இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோ, n equal to 5னா we using these numbers for coefficient of power 5, that is 1. இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 plus 4 is 5 and adding these two we get 10, adding these two we get 10, adding these two we get 5 1. and also listen, the endல இருக்க நம்பர்ஸ் வந்து கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். 1 1, the second these two are equal 5 5 and third 10 10 and so on. இதே மாதிரி நம்ம 6 7 8 எல்லாமே போடலாம். and listen, x plus a whole square equal to 1, that is one term only. x plus a whole power 1 means x plus a 2 terms. in x plus a whole square 1 2 3 we are having 3 terms and so on. in suppose power n means we have n plus 1 terms. We should know this generally. and also we know nc0 equal to ncn equal to 1, isn't it? so the first step, listen, exercise 2.6, first one, expand by using binomial theorem. expand by using binomial theorem. first sum is 2a minus 3b whole power 4. first write the binomial theorem formula. in this formula nc0, first step is what? nc0 x power n a power 0. so nc0 is 1. and in the last term NCN we are having. So here also NCN is 1. Okay, inge 1, the first term li 1 varum, so nama adu eludha thevilla, NC0 NCN la eludha vena. And also we simply we write this as NC0 is C0 and NC1 is C1 and NC2 is C2 and so on. We use simply this NC0, instead NC0 we use C0, NC1 we use C1, etc. And listen, this is our formula. First write the formula. Next compare these two. First one is x, isn't it? Here x is equal to what? 2a, and a is what? A is equal to minus 3b and n is equal to 4. First assume all the things and substituting these things in the formula. So therefore 2a minus 3b whole power 4 is equal to, first write x power n, that is 2a whole power n is what? 4. Next 4c1 into x power n minus 1, that is 2a power n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, that is 3. Just நம்ம அப்படியே டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிட்டே போகலாம். பவர் 4, next step power 3 வரும். அடுத்தது into a. What is a here? A is minus 3b. And the third term is 4c2 and 2a power, இங்கே 3 இருக்கும்போது நமக்கு 2 வரும். ஒரு டிகிரி நம்ம ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ 3, next one is 2 வரும். Here 1 இருக்குது, a power 1. So a power 2, that is minus 3b power 2. Next term is 4c2 2a power 1 and minus 3b power 3. And then the next one is last step. Sorry, this is 4c2, this is 4c2 and this is 4c3. The last one is 4c4. So 4c4 and in அப்படியே விட்டுடலாம், விட்டுட்டு 1 தானே. So we write simply a power n, that is a is what? Minus 3b power n, that is 4. Minus 3b power n means 4. Okay, next step, expand this 2 power 4 into a power 4. 2 power 4 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16 a power 4 plus, this is our coefficients, isn't it? This is our coefficient, and using the Pascal triangle, that is Pascal triangle is 1. Here adding these two 2, first start 1 and adding these two 3, adding these two 3. Here also we are having 1. Similarly 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this is for n is equal to 4. Here also n equal to 4, isn't it? So using the coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So இங்கே 1 வரும். இந்த 2 power 4 மட்டும் நான் expand பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Next 4c1 means 4. 4 into 2a whole cube means 8 into a cube. Next minus 3b power 1 is minus 3b. 4c2 no next coefficient, that is x. Sorry, 6. 6 into 2a whole square becomes 4a square and minus 3b whole square becomes minus into minus plus. 3 square is 9 and b square. Next 4c3 is 4. 4 into 2a into this and minus 3b whole cube. Minus whole cube becomes minus. 3 cube is 27 into b cube. Plus minus power 4, that is plus, and 3 power 4 becomes 81 and b power 4 is b power 4. Okay, now multiplying all the numbers in every term, we get 16a power 4. Here plus into minus, so put minus, and 8 into 3 into 4, that is 4 3s are 12. 12 into 8 is 96 a cube into b. Next plus, isn't it? All terms are plus, so plus 6 into 4 into 9. 6 4s are 24, into 9 is 216 a square into b square. And next one minus into plus becomes minus, and multiply 4 into 2 into 27. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 27 is 216 a into b cube. The last term is 81 b power 4. Count பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5 terms இருக்கும். Because our n is 4, so there are 5 terms in the expansion. This is our answer. Understood? Next, listen the third subdivision in the first sum, x plus 1 by x square whole power 6. It's a very easy one. First write the formula and assume the values x is equal to what, a is equal to what, and n is equal to what. First assume that x is x and a is 1 by x square and n is 6. n 6 means we make the Pascal triangle up to 6. Okay, this is our coefficient of this expansion. Okay, therefore write the question x plus 1 by x square whole power 6 is equal to first one x power n, that is x power 6 plus 6c1 x power 5 into a is 1 by x square plus 6c2. Then decrease பண்ணுறோம், இதுலேருந்து ஒரு டிகிரியை decrease பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா 4, and then increase this power, that is 1 by x square whole square plus 6c2 means next one is 3, 6c3 x power 4. So reducing one power we get x power 3 into 1 by x square whole power 3 plus 6c4 x square into 1 by x square power 4 plus 6c5 x into 1 by x square whole power 5 plus last term is a power n, that is 1 by x square power 6. Understood this? First write first term coefficient எதுவும் எழுத வேணாம், first x power n எழுதிக்கோங்க. Next 6c1, 6c2, 6c3, 6c4, 6c5, and the last one is 1. Next x உடைய பவரை டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிட்டே போகிறோம். x power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So we leave that x power 0. அடுத்தது a, this is 1 by a square, isn't it? 1 by a square first termல வராது, second termல 1 by a square power 1, next term power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First check this and then write x power 6, 6c1, 6c2 and all this. Using the coefficients we get 6 into x power 5 into 1 by x square plus 6c2 means 15. 15 x power 4 and by x square the whole square becomes x power 4 plus 6c3. This is 6c0, 1, 2, 3. 20. 6c3 is 20 into x cube into by x square whole cube, that is 3 2s are 6, x power 6. In our denominator x power 6 is there plus after 20 15 again, 15 x square by x square whole power 4, 4 2s are 8, so x power 8 plus after 15 again 6, 6x by x power 5 2s are 10 plus 1 by x power 12. Understood this step? So our last step is, this is equal to x power 6. Listen, cancelling x power 2, here we get 3. So plus 6x cube. Next steps x power 4 gets cancelled. So 15 plus cancelling x cube, here cancel we get 3, that is 20 by x cube plus 15 into cancelling this we get 6 here. The denominator x power 6 we are having. The last one cancelling this 10 becomes 9 plus 6 by x power 9 plus 1 by x power 12. That's all. Understood this? I I hope you all understood today's class and do the sums, and also example sums are very important. Do the example sums also. Thank you, students.